Welcome back to my channel, and this video will be very helpful and very actually interesting. In this video we're gonna change this handlebar. So basically every single part from the bar will come off and we're gonna put on a brand spanking new on. So you see, this is Yamaha YS125 2019. Definitely applies for 17, 18, 19 and 2020 years. Probably the older generation as well, and basically for any bike, because that's what we got. These all basics on the bike anyway: the front brake, the clutch, and etc. So basically I got so many videos coming up, and so many probably already on my channel, how to start with the fairings, the seats, basically all the parts around the bike will come off at some stage, and I'm gonna do separate video for each part. So let's crack on and start removing first bits. Okay, then let's start. I'll just show you basically the first parts we're gonna remove, and I'm gonna place the camera on my table because that's gonna be much easier for myself. So we're gonna start removing we take the mirrors off, both mirrors first of all, and then we're gonna remove the clutch lever from the bar, and then we're gonna remove the brake basket as well with the levers and basically everything what goes around this part. So yeah, let me place the camera and let's start doing the job. So what basically we did, we took this off, moon off, and as you see in here, the brake barrel come off with no problem whatsoever. And also in here, what we did on this, the clutch lever, we just released this bolt in here, so it actually slides nice and easy. And as soon as we remove this left side, we can slide it off. So now we're gonna remove the start button, plastic or whatever you call it, and also the acceleration handle. And also in this side as well, the light switches and the indicators and the horn as well. And also we're gonna remove this left side handle and these side protectors as well. So let's crack on. Okay, so as soon as we take this top off, things what we have to do, because you ain't gonna go this way that easy. So you take your cable with a screwdriver or something and basically try to get over this head in here. It's not easy, but it's not so hard. And just push it in. So that come off with no problem whatsoever. We do now is much easier with this side. So that's it. The one side we got off, and I'll tell you that was easy as that. You don't want to lose nothing from here. Just leave like that. So now we're going to remove. So this side is not going to be so easy with this side, because this handle has been actually glued on. So there will be tactics. Probably we're gonna warm up with a heat gun and then try to take it off that way. But first of all, we're gonna remove this plastic in here, and let me show you. There's going to be also as well 1, 2, 3 screws, same as the right side. So let's crack on with them then. Simple as, basically we remove just the 2 screws, one in here and one in here. They come off just like that, so nothing complicated. They look like that. One the longer one the shorter one. And now basically what I try to do is I'm gonna heat this grip up because I'm sure there is a glue inside, and basically what I'm gonna do is I use this heat gun and try just to warm up basically, because as we know, as soon as the glue actually gets in too hot, it gets sticky. It's not hard anymore, if you know what I mean. So do a couple of circles like that, basically just to warm up. Try to not damage if you want to keep this one, you know. Also, if you're gonna replace these with the heating ones, still I would say just to save this old one. You never know, you may need them in future, or just remember you're gonna get spare ones, so don't try to damage, don't cut with the knives or something. I did actually before, but I will try it this way. Warm up just a little bit, see if he goes. Probably use up both arms. So basically it did work. You know, it's not the easiest job in the world, but you have to break it pretty hard, you know, and then just take some tools or something, you know, what actually makes you easier, and just try to do like bang it off or something, you know. That helps actually to me. So that's pretty loose. Now, still coming off, not easy, so let me place the camera. Wow, nice. So as you see, no damages at all. I mean, it looks pretty hard, which you actually was. See a little glue in here. It's not a lot, basically, of course, so you can remove in the future. As you see, the handle is off. It's a little paint job, but you see it takes a couple of minutes and it's done. Basically what we're going to do now, because we can't slide this one off, we're going to remove 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts in here, remove them, and the bar will just come off and we can slide this thingy off. Your steering bar. Slides off. Handlebar is off, so you can see damage in here. Actually, it's not too bad, but come on, it's not gonna pass the MOT, and that's not good for me as well. And that's your new handlebar. Same job we apply. So we're going another way around. So basically, the last part we take it off. The first will go on. Okay, so everything is back, mirrors are back on as well. As you see, you don't move this handlebar in here. Everything works nice and properly. The clutch lever is back, the brake barrel is back, mirrors and all this, front brake and the start button. Also, now you feel comfy with that, and that's it, our job done. This video probably will actually help something for you. If you find it something helpful for yourself, smash that like button, subscribe. So many more videos are coming up, not about this bike, basically this job what we did today, you can apply for any kind of bike with the same steering bar. So yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe and smash that like button.